Hi students, good morning. How are you? Previous I explained in chemical bond in bridge course some points. Ionic bond, I explained some points. Ionic bond means the electrostatic force of attraction between two oppositely charged ions is known as ionic bond. Simple ionic bond is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Okay. Ionic compounds, examples NaCl, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, like that. So, ionic bond, another name is electrovalent bond. Okay. Strong ionic compound is formed by between 1A group and 7th A group elements. So 1A group element means, for example, I am taking sodium, first group. 7th group element means suppose Cl. Okay, strong ionic compound NaCl. Okay, another example, cesium, first group. Another one is fluorine, last group. Okay, 7th group, cesium chloride. So these are anyway strong ionic bond is formed between especially first group and 7th group. 7th group halogens. Between alkali metals and 7th group elements combining to form ionic compound. They are strong ionic compound. So these are ionic bond last time explained. Next another one is covalent bond. Covalent bond was first introduced by Lewis. Covalent molecule bridge course. In covalent bond, ionic bond is formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Okay, that is also known as electrovalent bond. But covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron pair between two atoms in the molecule. Equal sharing compulsory. So covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron pair between two atoms in a molecule. Now I am giving examples. Covalent bond. Suppose I am taking hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen molecule is formed by, suppose hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom contains one electron. Another hydrogen atom contains another electron. These are combining. Hydrogen. These are two electrons. Bond is compulsory two electrons. In chemical bond, in ionic bond or covalent bond, any bond compulsory only valence electrons can participate. One hydrogen contains one electron, another hydrogen contains another electron. In this hydrogen atom, I kept dotted. Dot means electron into towards electron. They are sharing, that means hydrogen molecule. Example. Or simply, okay, these are hydrogen. One electron. Here hydrogen. Oh, these are nucleus, these are electron. The nucleus and another electron, they are combined to form hydrogen molecule. Okay, simply. One example. Next thing I am taking another example. Suppose chlorine. Chlorine, how many valence electrons? 7 valence electrons. Here another chlorine. They are combining. That means Cl. So these are bond. Or simply, here also like that. H. Here also like that. Chlorine. Okay. So these are covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron pair between two atoms in the molecule. That is a covalent bond. Okay, another. In the covalent bond concept, if sharing of one electron pair, single bond. Sharing of 2 electron pair, double bond. If sharing of 3 electron pairs, a triple bond will be formed. If sharing of 1 electron pair, if sharing of 1 electron pair, sharing of 1 electron, if sharing of 1 electron pair, single bond is formed. Sharing of 1 electron pair, single bond is formed. Example. Now, okay, hydrogen, same. Now hydrogen, okay, another hydrogen. Combining to form hydrogen molecule. That means simply hydrogen. So it is one other example. Example 1. 1 electron pair. Now I am taking another example. Now I am taking HCl, hydrogen, chlorine, combining. Or simply HCl. If sharing of 1 electron pair between 2 atoms in the molecule, that is a single bond is formed. Double bond, if sharing of 2 electron pairs, if sharing of 2 electron pairs, a double bond will be formed. Double bond. If sharing of 2 electron pairs, a double bond will be formed. So double bond examples. Best examples of oxygen. Now I am taking oxygen. Oxygen contain how many valence electrons? Oxygen contain how many valence electrons? 6 valence electrons. Here 6 valence electrons I consider as like that. Here one oxygen. And another oxygen. Another oxygen I am taking like that. Okay, like that. Oxygen, each oxygen atom contains 6 valence electrons. Only valence electrons can participate. Like that, here oxygen. On C. Here simply, these are one bond, here another bond. Finally, O double bond O. Here, like that. These are one bond, here another bond. How many bonds? 2 bonds. That means these are double bond. These are considered as a lone pairs. Lone pair of electrons are not involved in the bonding. Okay, these are lone pairs, these are bond pairs. Anyway, oxygen double bond molecule. So these are example of double bond. If sharing of 2 electron pairs, double bond will be formed. Okay, so these are single bond, double bond. So now I am giving double bond molecules examples. First oxygen, carbon dioxide, SO2, okay, and organic compound CH4. So these are double bond molecules. Double bond molecules example oxygen already compared. Carbon dioxide structure. So like that. A double bond is there. SO2 like that. Here one lone pair is there. CH4 organic compound, organic chemistry. After that I will explain. CH4, they are double bond molecule. So these are all our double bond molecules. So carbon dioxide, oxygen, SO2, CH4. So these are all our double bond molecules. Double bond means 2 lines, single bond means 1 line. Okay, if sharing of 3 electron pairs, a triple bond will be formed, triple bond. If sharing of 3 electron pairs, triple bond will be formed. Now I will want to say. So, for example, triple bond. Example 1, okay, nitrogen. Nitrogen contains how many valence electrons? 5 valence electrons. 5 valence electrons is like that. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another thing I am, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many unpaired electrons? These are 1 electron, these are 1 bond. Here 1 bond, here 1 bond. That means N Generally, here how many unpaired electrons? 3 unpaired electrons. Here how many unpaired? 3 unpaired electrons. One unpaired electrons of first atom, another unpaired electrons another atom. Combine to form one bond. Here one bond, here another bond, here another bond. Total how many bond? 3 bond. If sharing of 3 electron pairs between 2 atoms in the molecule, triple bond will be formed. Triple bond formed. Okay, double bond. Now I am giving examples. Some more examples of triple bond molecules. Triple bond molecule examples: N2, nitrogen, organic compound acetylene, hydrogen cyanide formula HCl. So these are triple bond molecule. Okay, and another one is calcium carbide CaC2. Triple bond molecule. I am giving structure N double N triple. Okay, acetylene C2H2 like that. Triple bond molecule. HCN HCN. Calcium carbide CaCC like that. These are all triple bond molecules. Triple bond is there. Okay, so single bond, double bond, and another one is a triple bond. So these are covalent bond. And another one is covalent bond. Sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond and pi bond. We know sigma bond means the intermixing of two atomic orbitals along in their internal nuclear axis is known as sigma bond. Sigma bond means the intermixing of two atomic orbitals along in their internal nuclear axis, then that is known as a sigma bond. Like that, sigma bond means sigma bond is formed by direct overlapping of two atomic orbitals. That suppose now I am taking these are orbital, these are another orbital. Okay, now I am taking these are px, these are suppose also px orbital. Okay, there is the direct overlapping. That means is there. That is a sigma bond. Direct overlapping. Another I am taking. Okay, s orbital. Okay, these are s orbital, these are another s orbital. Combined to form like that. Direct bond, that is a sigma bond. That is a sigma bond. Direct overlapping, sigma bond. Okay? Anyway, sigma bond is formed by direct overlapping of two atomic orbitals along in their internal nuclear axis, direct axis. Okay, these are best example sigma bond. Sigma bond molecules example. Sigma bond is like that one. These are sigma bond. Sigma bond molecule examples: hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, HCl, HBr, like that. So these are sigma bond molecules, only single bond. And our pi bond, another one is pi bond. Pi bond molecules. Pi bond is formed by lateral overlapping or sideways overlapping of two atomic orbitals. Now I am taking like that. Okay. There are another axis and another axis. Okay. These are sideways overlapping. Sideways overlapping. That means a pi bond will be formed like that simply. Okay, like. So these are pi bond. Pi bond. Pi bond means compulsory. Pi bond means one sigma bond, pi bond. Pi bond means the bond formed by sideways overlapping of two orbitals, two atomic orbitals, sideways, lateral, up and down. So these are simply pi bond. Sigma bond and pi bond. Okay. And another one is, which molecules having pi bond? Which molecules having pi bond? Molecules having pi bond. Molecules having pi bond. Generally molecules having without sigma bond, pi bond not possible. Without sigma bond, pi bond not possible. So molecules having pi bond means compulsory double bond molecule. C2H4, C2H2. Here also containing sigma bond and pi bond. Without sigma bond and pi bond not possible. So CH4. Pi bond. CH2 and SO2. Here also. Here also pi bond. Double bond. Sidewise overlapping. It is also sidewise overlapping. Generally double bond. Double bond means one sigma bond, one pi bond. Note this point. Double bond means one sigma bond and one pi bond. Triple bond means one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Understand point? Double bond means sigma bond means single bond means only sigma bond. So double bond means one sigma bond, one pi bond, like that. These are double bond. One sigma bond, one pi bond. Triple bond means one sigma bond, two pi bond. I will show. Here is there. One sigma bond. Triple bond means one sigma bond remaining, two pi bonds. That is sigma bond and pi bond. Single bond means only sigma bond. Single bond. Single bond means only sigma bond. Only sigma bond. Triple bond means only sigma bond. Like then I am taking HCl. These are single bond. That means only sigma bond. So that is a important point too. So important points are sigma bond and pi bond. Okay. So anyway, single bond means only sigma bond. Pi bond, double bond means one sigma bond, one pi bond. Triple bond means one sigma bond and two pi bond. Now we will calculate number of sigma bonds and number of pi bonds. For example, calculation of sigma and pi bonds in molecules. Without structure not possible. Sigma and pi bond calculation. Suppose example 1. Carbon dioxide molecule. Carbon dioxide molecule contain how many sigma bonds, how many pi bonds? Carbon dioxide molecule contain how many sigma bonds, how many pi bonds? Now we want structure CO2. Carbon dioxide molecule CO2. Here CO2. Double bond means compulsory. One sigma bond, one pi bond, one sigma bond. That means two sigma bonds and two pi bonds. Next another one is second example. SO2. Actual structure SO2 like that. Okay. SO2 molecule. Actually oxygen contain how many lone pairs? Two lone pairs. Actual structure like that. Here also oxygen. SO2 also two sigma bonds and two pi bonds. SO2 also two sigma bonds and two pi bonds. SO2 molecule contain two double bonds. CO2 molecule contain two double bonds. So these are SO2 and another one is CO2. Next another one is CH4. His name is ethene. Ethene molecule contain how many sigma bonds, how many pi bonds? We want structure carbon. Here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond. 5 sigma bonds, 1 bond. In 5 sigma bond means here 1 sigma bond carbon. 4 sigma bonds carbon hydrogen. Just depth level. Okay, ethylene molecule contain 5 sigma bonds, 1 pi bond, correct. So among 5 sigma bonds, 1 sigma bond between carbon and carbon, 4 sigma bonds, so carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. Pi bond always 1 pi bond compulsory carbon and carbon. Pi bond always formed between 2 p orbital, 2 d orbital. Pi bond not possible s orbital and p orbital. So that is a so number calculation of sigma and pi bond some molecules. And another, dear students, writing. Another example, example 3. Now I am giving calcium carbide. How many sigma bonds, how many pi bond? His name is calcium carbide. Structure. How many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds to 2 pi bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds to 2 pi bonds. Calcium carbide. It is ionic compound. So these are some examples of calculation of ion. So sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond and pi bond. Next. Example 4. Tetracyanoethene. Ethene. E. Organic chemistry after that I will start. Ethene double bond. Tetracyano. Actually these are cyanide. In structure, simple formula. Actual structure means cyanide means in cyanide carbon and nitrogen attached to triple bond. In cyanide carbon nitrogen attached to triple bond. Triple bond means like that. Here tetracyano. That means C triple bond N, C triple bond N, C triple bond N, C triple bond N. That means first I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sigma bonds, pi bonds, 1 pi bond, 2 pi bonds, 2 pi bonds, 2 pi bond, 2 pi bond. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 pi bonds, totally bonds. Tetracyanoethene containing 9 sigma bonds and 9 pi bond. Ethene, ethene double bond. Okay. So these are calculation of sigma bonds and pi bonds in molecules. Okay, next. Fifth example. Ethane. Ethane formula C2H6. Structure C2H6. Okay, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bonds. No pi bonds. 7 sigma bonds, but no pi bond. Only sigma bonds, not pi bonds. So anyway, so these are number of ethane molecule contain only sigma bonds, but not pi bonds. So these are different types of sigma bonds and pi bond calculation. Okay. Next up. Generally, sigma bonds and pi bonds total considered as a covalent bonds. Covalent bonds. Suppose now I am taking ammonia. Ammonia molecule. Okay. Water molecule. CO2 molecule. These are all covalent molecules. Generally, ionic bond formed between metal atom and non-metal atom, but covalent bond formed between non-metal atoms. Nitrogen non-metal, hydrogen non-metal. Oxygen non-metal, hydrogen non-metal. Carbon non-metal, oxygen non-metal. Covalent bond formed between two non-metals. Non-metals. Now I am taking ammonia. Actual ammonia structure like that. Water. Like that, water molecule. CO2. Here how many bonds? 3 bonds, 3 sigma bonds. That means this contain 3 covalent bonds. Sigma bonds are, pi bonds are covalent bonds. Here how many? 2 covalent bonds. Oxygen molecule, water. 2 covalent bonds. It actually 2 double bonds, correct? 2 sigma 1, 2 pi 1. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 covalent bonds. 4 covalent bonds simply. Okay, so these are sigma bonds and anyway covalent bonds. Next another one is covalent bond. Another classification simply polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond. And another one is non-polar covalent bond. Non-polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond and non-polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond means unequal sharing of electrons. If unequal sharing of electrons between two atoms, polar covalent bond. Unequal sharing of electrons, generally HCl is there. Because HCl is there, hydrogen, chlorine. Covalent bond, covalent molecules. Covalent bond, another classification, 2 types. Polar covalent bond and non-polar covalent bond. Here, compared to hydrogen, chlorine having more electronegativity character. More electronegative character means attract the electron towards itself in a molecule. So these are partially plus, partially minus. Partially means like that. So chlorine attract the electrons from hydrogen. So these are not equal, unequal sharing. HCl, example HCl and H2O, NH3 and another one is HF. So these are all polar covalent molecules. Polar covalent molecules. Non-polar covalent bond, equal sharing. Equal sharing means H2, chlorine, O2 and another one is F2, like that. So these are equal sharing. So equal sharing of electron, that is a non-polar covalent bond. H2, Cl2, F2 and another one is Br2 and I2. So these are all non-polar covalent bond. These are equal sharing. They are equal sharing, these are unequal sharing. These are hydrogen, same. Same element means equal sharing. So different element means unequal sharing. So these are polar covalent bond and non-polar covalent bond. So these are some points. Molecule shapes. Molecule shapes. For example, here linear shape molecules. Linear means straight. Linear shape molecule, example CO2, carbon dioxide, HCl, hydrogen cyanide, CH2, calcium carbide. So these are our linear shape. Why linear shape means like that? CO2, linear, HCl, CH2 like that, and BeCl2, beryllium chloride also, Cl, BeCl, linear shape molecules. Okay, linear shape molecules examples. Linear shape molecules. And another one is pyramidal shape molecules. Pyramidal shape molecules. So linear shape molecule completed. Next, pyramidal shape molecule example. Ammonia, NH is the best example. Okay, PH3 also best example. They are pyramidal shape molecules. Pyramidal shape molecules NH3 and another one is PH3, one lower pair. Now I am taking like that, NH3. Okay, enough. And H3O plus hydronium ion also, pyramidal shape molecule. So these are all our pyramidal shape molecules. And another one is NCl3 also. NCl3, PCl3, pyramidal shape. So these are pyramidal shape molecules, linear shape molecules. And another one is V-shape molecules. V-shape molecules. Example, H2O, SO2. H2O and SO2. And OF2 also. One structure enough, these are V-shape. V-shape another name is bent or angular. V-shape molecules are bent shape or angular. These are all are V-shape molecules. H2O, water. Sulfur dioxide, OF2 also. These are all are V-shape molecules. V-shape molecules. Next, tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape molecules. Tetrahedral shape molecule, best example you know, CH4, methane, carbon tetrachloride, tetrahedral shape, and another NH4 plus ammonium ion. So these are tetrahedral shape. And SiCl4, silicon tetrachloride. Okay, and another one is diamond, tetrahedral shape. Simply CH4, tetrahedral means like that. Actually this type tetrahedral. So these are tetrahedral shape molecules. V-shape molecules, tetrahedral shape molecules. Okay. Next another one is, so V-shape molecule compared, tetrahedral shape molecule compared. Next one is triangular shape or trigonal planar. Triangular shape molecules, trigonal planar. Simply, example BCl3, C2H4, SO3 like that. Now I am taking BCl3. C2SO3. Actual oxygen contain 2 lone pair of electrons. C2H4, triangular planar. Trigonal planar, triangular planar shape BCl3, C2H4, SO3. So these are different types of shape of molecules. Next another one is trigonal bipyramidal shape molecules. Trigonal bipyramidal shape molecules. Trigonal bipyramidal shape molecule example, best example PCl5. PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Simple structure like that. Phosphorus, chlorine, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, so these are our trigonal bipyramidal shape. Example, PCl5. So these are main, and another one is there. T-shape molecule. T-shape molecule. T-shape molecule. T-shape means like that. IFI, BRFI, like that. These are T-shaped molecule means like that. I, on some slide. Not T-shape, C star, C star. C star. Simply, these are C star shape molecule, like that. Same example, SF4. SF4 means like that. S, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are considered as a lone pair. Here how many bond pairs? 4 bond pairs. 4 bond pairs, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Total how many? 5. So like that, so here 1 lone pair, that is a C star. C star shape molecule. These are another name is a trigonal bipolar shape molecule and C star shape molecule. C star shape molecule means these are distorted tetrahedral. Another name is simply distorted tetrahedral. Distorted tetrahedral shape molecule. Okay. So these are different types of shape of molecules. Anyway, linear shape molecules, pyramidal shape molecules. Okay. And another one is very important. Hybridization, you know. Hybridization means the intermixing of atomic orbitals almost equal energies and their redistribution into equal number of identical orbitals is known as hybridization. Definition long, once. The intermixing of atomic orbitals, almost equal energies and their redistribution into equal number of identical orbitals is known as hybridization. Different types of hybridization simply we know. First hybridization sp, sp2, sp3. These are first category. sp hybridization best example you know BeCl2, beryllium chloride. There one other example, carbon dioxide, one other example. So these are all sp hybridization. sp2 hybridization, BeCl3, boron trichloride. Boron trichloride one other example, and SO2 and SO3 these are example. sp3 we know CH4, SaCl4, ammonium ion NH4 plus, H3O plus, hydronium ion. So these are sp3 hybridization. And another one is diamond also. sp3 hybridization. Sp BeCl2 CO2 and another one is acetylene C2H2. So these are hybridization. Hybridization means the intermixing of atomic orbitals almost equal energies and their redistribution into equal number of identical orbitals is known as hybridization. So these are sp, sp2, sp3. sp, sp2, sp3. Remaining hybridization also there. After that I will explain. Okay. Thank you for okay. Thank you, students.